I didn't even do anything.
Oh my gosh.
Good. Nice one.
Oh, every time. Wow. That felt good.
That was smooth.
Yeah.
That
was like, wow, okay.
Jeez. That was crazy.
I know, oh my gosh.
There it is. Press this one back. Perfect. Dang.
Yeah.
So good. Really good. There we go. Great job.
Oh my gosh.
Good relief on the lower back?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
How'd that one feel?
I'm like out of it kinda. That was like, whoa.
Intense?
Yeah. I've never felt that one before.
You feel it all the way down your back?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a pull. Good. Easy.
In between my shoulder blades, it's a little bit tight. I'm in school. I'm taking a couple summer classes, and I started taking Pilates, so I'm
Nice.
very tight.
There it is.
Oh my gosh, that felt so good. I forgot that feeling.
Uh-huh.
It's so much deeper than what I can get it when I twist my neck.
100%. Just back here. A little bit harder. There we go.
Ooh.
So this is low back right here.
Whoa! You got one before you even did it.
We got one on setup. Let it out.
Oh, every time.
Completely blew up on that.
Yeah, that's the craziest feeling.
All the way down?
Yeah, all the way down.
What do? Do you just like,
I usually do one of these.
uh-huh.
And
You
then-
get both sides?
Yeah, usually every day.
Okay.
It's pretty bad. And
It's
then
like your morning ritual?
Yeah, then my back, I can crack myself like.
She's wasting all the pops. Come on, save
No,
it.
I can do that like on
Where's
cue.
that even coming
on
from?
cue, I can do that. It's like bad. Like,
It-
isn't that crazy?
Hold on, do that one more time. What? I feel like that's like your muscles rubbing over
I
your
don't know
ribs
what
here.
it is. But it's
Yeah,
bad.
it's interesting you can recreate. It's definitely not the joints.
Okay.
Yeah. There it is.
I needed that.
Good release there. Very nice. How'd that feel for you?
Amazing.
Good. There we go. Nice one. I thought I broke your bracelet. You ready for a decompression?
I've never been more ready.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god.
There it is.
Wow. I feel taller.
You might be a little bit taller when you stand up. So we're gonna do a little pull. It's nice and relaxed for me. There we go. I'm gonna do this side. All right. Yeah, you're up
That
there. This
extent.
is like 10 out of 10 crunches for
Really?
sure. So, yeah. I didn't even do anything. I literally put like 1 pound of pressure on her back and everything just popped. Good. Bring your elbows together in front of you. Tight squeeze.
Whoa.
Okay. That was huge.
Oh my gosh.
Feel a pretty good release through there on that?
Yeah, that one felt really good.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. That was a good one.
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Pretty good. I felt that definitely like
Uh-huh.
up through here. Oh.
Crunchy.
Oh my gosh, no kidding.
Really nice.
Oh, oh my god.
There it is.
Whoa. Wow.
Big release on that.
No kidding.
Good. Nice one.
Yeah, buddy.
You okay on that side?
Yeah.
There it is.
All right.
Got it.
Yep. We got it.
There we go. Beautiful. Do one more here.
There it was.
There it is. Not as much on this side,
Right.
but the other side definitely.
Yeah. Good God.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. A little less nervous now.
That was a good release.
That was good. I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty bad. I
You're,
joke
you're,
about
you're pretty
I used
messed
to go to
up.
the chiropractor all the time, and here I am.
Here we are.
Okay.
Crunchy. Very
That was
crunchy.
crunchy.
Press your elbow back into me.
Ouch.
You okay with that one?
Yeah, that was good.
Nice and relaxed.
Oh my god.
Home run.
I would say. Holy cow.
Very good.
I don't know if I can move after that one.
Take your time.
Just kidding.
Very good.
Whew.
So since you've seen the videos, you know what's next, right?
You're gonna pull my head up.
Yep.
This is the one I'm actually nervous for.
This is the decompression.
Oh my god, I like felt that in my entire head. Whew. Okay, that one I'm gonna stay here for a second.
Yeah.
Whew.
Nice.
Dang.
Go ahead and press your elbow back. Easy. There we go. I had to work for that one a little bit. There we go. Insane. So good. A little pull here. There we go. Nice.
So about 2 years ago, I got diagnosed with TMJ, which caused the pain. And I'm actually doing some orthodontic work to straighten and slowly like adjust that. With that comes pressure in my neck, pressure in my shoulders, because I also sit in a chair a lot at my job. So I'm forward leaning a lot on the computer.
Oh.
There's this one spot. It's like right in this area.
Yeah. Oh.
That was it. That spot has bothered me for so long. I'm so sorry. This is so emotional.
No, you're okay. So this is gonna be all lower back here. We're gonna really work the spot. I'm gonna put a little pressure, and then you feel right there it gets tight. Now we're locked out.
Oh, I can breathe. There's so much that's locked up. It's like hard to breathe.
I'm gonna have you keep your teeth together. You're gonna feel this go down your back, okay?
Okay.
Breath in and out.
Oh. That's funny. Yeah, that was nice. Wow. I mean, a little bit of an inch. Yeah, that hurt my face. Whew.
And we're gonna go right here. A little bit harder. Got it.
Oh.
That one was stuck.
Oh.
That shoulder didn't want to release.
No.
Press back. There we go. I'm telling you, we have to work for those. Bring your elbows together in front of you. Tight squeeze. There we go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It just keeps going.
Yes.
Oh my God. So much release.
Oh.
All right.
Gosh.
She's ready for a nap.
I am. That was so good.
Should we work the other side?
Yeah.
Think that side was a little bit louder.
Yeah.
Good. You got another one on setup just right there. And another one.
Yep. Ooh.
Good. Like right here. That's where it's tight at.
Oh my God. Oh, okay.
We got it.
That was a good one.
Good.
Yep. Whew. Sweating.
How we doing?
Good. Good. Yeah, I've never experienced that before.
There we go. Good.
Yep.
That was it.
Whew. Yeah, wow.
Good. Okay. All good there? Good. Perfect. Oh, there it is.
There was more.
There's always more, right?
I watch these videos all the time and they're so satisfying.
So
when
this
you
is
hear
his time.
everything.
So you've seen the videos before, you just never thought about getting adjusted, basically?
Yeah,
Cool.
been too scared.
Yeah, no. Well, I think we'll conquer your fear today, right?
Yeah.
We'll get over your fear of getting adjusted, so.
Oh my God. That was kind of crazy. It sounded nice though.
Dang. Oh, we had a double clutch that one.
Yeah.
Got a lot of release there.
I know, my neck feels so light.
A little bit harder.
That felt weird.
A little bit harder. Ooh.
That felt good.
Just nice and relaxed for me. We're just gonna lean this over a little bit.
That says to be such a fun job.
It's really fun. It's super fun.
Oh my God. It's like tingling everywhere. Not in a bad way, but like, just wow, I've never felt that. That was kind of crazy.
Is there any more? Oh my. Yeah, there was. Perfect. Yeah.
Oh,
So good.
dang.
With the decompression, you'll feel this all the way down the back. You're gonna feel everything open up. This is most people's favorite.
Really?
People come from all over the country for this adjustment right here.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
oh.
Yep.
They
All
want
right.
to do this?
They really want to do it, yeah.
Oh. Oh my gosh. People come here and do that. That's crazy. I
What did
feel
it
it
feel
all the
like?
way down. I feel it like in my triceps and like, or not triceps, my traps all the way down.
First adjustment ever, right?
Yes.
Never been adjusted before.
Never.
So. Pressure.
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
Woo! That was crazy.
Good one. How'd you do?
Goodness. Good. Good.
Not too
Wow.
scary?
No? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
And those were clean.
Oh my goodness. Oh, wow, that was crazy.
Good stuff.
That was crazy.
five.
Wow.
Press your elbow back into me.
God.
Too
You didn't
easy.
even have to do
Too
anything.
easy. Press back. There we go. Those are satisfying cracks for sure.
That was awesome.
Got it.
Good.
That was perfect.
Did you hear that?
Of course.
What?
Here's a quick look at her spine. Valuable information here that we want to see. So as you can see, she's got that convexity to the left. So it's just showing a lot of curve in the lumbars here. So, and then just slight convexity to the right in the thoracic. So it's a good scoliosis case for sure.
Oh,
There we go.
it's so weird. It's so weird.
Perfect.
Oh,
There we go.
that was so strange.
How far down
that
the
though, like
back did you feel it?
to like here,
Perfect.
like where it starts to curve.
Right here is a little tight. That was so loud.
That one was, yeah, I could. Oh.
I haven't had an adjustment that loud in a long time.
I've worked a lot of these and I've heard that.
I told you, you're probably gonna get so good out
Yeah,
of
you
here.
put that on another level. Yep, definitely blew up.
That one, oh my god. I felt that one in my ribcage.
Good release there.
Yeah.
A little bit harder. There we go. That's your shoulder. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
definitely some more in there.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Crunchy.
Yeah, definitely. Oh my god.
So just take a breath in for me and let it out.
Oh, ow. That one was scary. It was good. A good scary. But a scary. Oh my god.
Press your elbow back. There we go.
Ooh, I like that.
I'm gonna drop this down. Big
Whoa.
one.
That was deep.
Whoa. Sweating. That feels very nice though.
So just nice and relaxed for me. You got one there on setup. Big one.
I can't tell if it hurts or feels
Yeah. Okay, just relax for me. Oh, really good that,
That was
side
nice.
too. That was insane. That, I mean, seriously. That's crazy. I'm gonna do wrist. That was so dumb. I just put pressure on it. I don't even understand right now. Oh my gosh. Good. It just keeps coming. It's like there's just more and more. It's too good. Good. Excellent. That was a good one.
Crunchy.
A little bit there. That was good. And it's like from T1 to T6 is pretty loose and mobile. And then we hit T7 and it's like just extremely stiff. Perfect. Wow. Good. Perfect. Everything moved great there. She's way louder than you, Mom. How'd that feel?
Good.
That was a good release. Perfect. Good. Perfect.
Same as always, mostly like upper back, shoulders area. My neck's been kind of stiff, and you know I sit all day, so
Yeah.
lower back is
Okay.
just, I don't know, I feel
Probably
like
be lots of problems in there.
yeah, I know, I feel like I'm like hunched over a lot because I'm
Okay.
just sitting all the time, but
All right, you ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's do it. Let's let that go.
Oh my god.
You've been missing
I
out.
know. That was crazy.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
Smash that like button.
Press your elbow. Oh, wow. That was easy.
Missed those.
Press back. Good. And out.
My foot came unstrapped.
That's good.
Wow.
Can you see the
It's
future
like,
now?
Yes, it's like vibrating through my brain.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Good stuff.
Maybe like 3 inches taller. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Good.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna pop my knuckles too?
Good.
Crazy.
This over, nice and relaxed.
Oh my god.
Told ya.
Whoa.
That was awesome, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. She's gonna be making frequent trips to St. Louis.
Yep.
Not as bad as you thought, right? There we go.
Oh, wow.
Little pressure. Just like that.
That was a good one.
You hear that one?
Yeah.
Same thing here. Good.
We had a pre-pop with that one.
Yeah, we had one on setup.
Oh my gosh.
You feel that all the way down? Perfect.
All the way down.
Little hip action here. Good.
That was a good one.
Wow.
Pretty good one.
Yeah.
Perfect. How'd that one feel for you?
Good.
Wonderful.
Oh my god.
Wow. That was a home run.
That was a lot.
You okay? Your eyes are watering.
Yeah, I'm alright.
That was a huge release there.
Yeah.
So just keep your teeth together for me. I'll have you take a breath in. Let it out. There we go. How'd that feel for you?
Good.
Any release there?
Yeah, it definitely went down the mid-back at least.
Perfect.
So back, I've had a back injury since I was 16. I was a gymnast for a long time and I missed a jump. Well, being so muscular right there, it never came out until I was a high jumper and I pulled the rest of it out.
All right, teeth together. Breath in. Let it out.
My oh my god, I can feel my lower back. I might cry. Oh my god. Holy.
You can let it out.
Well, I was trying not to cuss.
We have a beeper, it's okay.
Okay, good.
Huge release.
Oh my god. Holy crap.
Feel free to move around a little bit. Let me know how you feel.
Usually if I'm sitting, I'm in so much pain. Sorry. Okay, I'm good, I'm in.
Wow. She's popping all over the place right now.
Oh my god. Sorry, that kind of just shocked me. Okay, I'm good.
How'd that feel?
Good. Never liked the way I cracked my neck. Oh my god.
It's really good, both sides. Good. That easy.
Oh,
There we go. A little pressure. Good. Lower back here.
Okay.
Already got one. That was easy. Perfect. Nice. Got them all the way through, too.
Yeah. Oh my god. That's not what I expected.
What did you feel on that one?
Felt like I got longer.
Just gonna drop this over.
Oh.
Ooh.
I purposely have not popped my neck for like
Oh,
3
thank you.
days.
She's been saving up for this one. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Wow. Good stuff.
Good.
Yeah, big releases on both sides of the neck there. Have you ever had your shoulders adjusted?
No, I haven't, but that would probably feel really good.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do hands on your hips for me. Press your elbow back. Easy. Perfect. Those were loud. Very nice. Unreal. She's been saving these up for a while for sure.
Obviously.
Perfect. Feel okay?
Yeah, that one was so good.
Just keeps going. Good stuff. I'll just have you keep your teeth together for me. And have you take a breath in. Let it out.
Ooh,
Wow.
that was good.
You feel that all the way down the back?
I did.
I have tons of knots in the upper part of my back. I have like some weird numbness, itching right here, and I went to the dermatologist and he said I could have a pinched nerve or something that's maybe causing like a phantom itching feeling.
Yeah.
Last summer I had vertigo.
We're just gonna drop this head over.
Oh my gosh.
Just like that. How do we do there?
It's a feeling.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It feels. Yeah.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Nice, okay. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna do a couple different spots. We're gonna put some pressure through here. Nice and relaxed. There we go. Is that pressure okay for you?
Mm-hmm.
Do a couple more. Wow. Crunchy one there, that was good. So we're gonna drop this over nice and relaxed. Perfect.
That was nice.
Put a little pressure.
Oh,
Perfect. Just like that.
that one went.
And out.
Oh,
There we go.
I felt that in my lower leg. I felt it. That was nice.
So just relax that for me. Good. Now we're gonna do the same thing here. Just relax this for me. Good. Press back. Perfect. It's nice and relaxed. You think you're gonna be pretty crunchy?
I hope so.
We're gonna go right here. Boom.
That was crazy.
That was a nice one.
That was crazy. That was a nice one. Yeah.
Probably a little different than how they've done it in the past, right?
Definitely. Yeah. That was crazy. That was crazy.
Pretty loud, both sides. That was
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, definitely crunchy.
Good. Nice release.
Thank you.
There's a free one on setup. Good. Boom. Blowing up.
I don't know if that's a good thing.
Yeah. Good.
That's what I do in my bed. I'll like lay on the
Yeah, yeah, just throw the leg over.
That's my favorite.
Does it crack like that though?
No.
Yeah.
It's like just my spine.
You get like the one easy
Or
one.
it'll fuck my back up low key.
Leave it to the professionals, I always say. That was probably one of the louder lower backs we've had in a while. Good.
That was definitely, that was.
You're blowing up today. A little pressure here.
Oh.
Yeah, that was it.
That was actually really good.
Yeah.
I could like feel that like kind of, especially with this shoulder, like kind of like my arm.
Feel that release.
Definitely.
So we're gonna go right here, nice and relaxed.
Yeah, that one needed to happen too.
All right. We're gonna work this right side. Just let that fall. Wow.
That was hard too.
It's crunchy today.
I would definitely say my lower back. I was a dancer for a while, and I just finished my first season at a college. And I think it was my sophomore year of high school, at a UDA dance camp, I really messed up my back and I could barely walk. That's when I went and saw all my other contractors and everybody. So I've kind of had that back issue going on, and I feel it when I walk, or like if I'm getting out of a car, I swing my legs wrong and my back's like, "Arr!" Holy cow.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was. I do my own little neck cracks, but I've never had that. That was good.
Different level, right?
Oh yeah. It's like level 100.
Yep. Press your elbow back into me. There we go.
That felt good.
Another loud one there.
Yeah, that one.
How was that one?
That was good.
Good release on that? Oh yeah. Great stuff there. It just keeps coming. I don't understand it.
They don't stop.
She is crunching. This is the best adjustment of the day. Scoot just a hair closer. Yeah, that's good.
That is amazing.
I just no words for that.
Oh, holy cow.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, that's like a full body that like rippled down.
You feel it all the way down to the lower back?
Yeah, that like it started up at my neck and then just that was crazy.